Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a whole bunch of these that I will have linked in a playlist in the description box below. So definitely check that out if you're new to my channel. I'm also up for suggestions for new topics or questions you'd like for me to devote a whole video to. So definitely leave those also in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. So for today's topic, we're going to be talking about rolling those rewards. If you've been couponing for any length of time, you already have probably caught on to this concept. There's lots of different stores, mostly the drugstores. A lot of our grocery stores, we don't necessarily roll rewards, although some grocery stores, I have a Giant in my area that you can earn grocery dollars that I roll to make new deals, but we're talking mostly about the drugstores here. So your rewards, you have bonus cash at Rite Aid, Walgreens cash or register rewards at Walgreens, and then CVS extra care bucks. The term of rolling them means to buy something 1 week, or some people will do back-to-back transactions. You earn rewards, and then your next transaction, you're going to use those rewards to pay for your stuff there. And then you get the concept. You just keep rolling them. So that is what that term means, but it's also a reminder to us couponers that we kind of need to be consistent with couponing because those rewards will expire. And when they expire, that means that those deals that you did 2 weeks ago at Walgreens with the register reward, or, if it's even 30 days in the other drugstores, that means that you paid for that. It's no longer a free item if you let those rewards expire. I don't think I have done this a whole lot, but it has happened to me. And that is like a slap in the face when you find an expired register reward, or you find out, this did happen to me over at Rite Aid, that my bonus cash had expired a week before. Because Rite Aid, I feel, is the worst about this. They will have really good deals for like 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. But then they go through a dry spell where I don't stop in. And you need to be diligent about checking your rewards, especially if it's a store that you're not in every week. Like CVS, for the most part, I don't need to worry about my extra care bucks expiring because I am usually in there just about every week. Now, how I organize my extra care bucks, I like to have those paper. I don't like to have them on the card because I feel like they're more likely to go past the expiration and me not realize it. I will organize my paper extra care bucks by the amount. So my $1 extra care bucks are in the front, and then $2 after that, and then $3. But they're also organized by when they expire. And then if I have like a $10 or $5 extra care buck that expires in like a week or two, I will pull that to the front of the stack and paper clip that. That way I know I need to spend $5 at CVS this week, or have a total amount of $5 to cover the cost and use up that extra care buck. Just don't let those rewards expire. So either try to go to the stores every week or every other week, but you can't just coupon once a month and then just, let it go for a couple weeks, because then you are paying for those deals that you initially thought were going to be free. Couponing is an investment when you start off, but the whole object is to roll those rewards so they don't expire and you keep getting new rewards for new items and keep on rolling them. So if you have any tips or comments on how you keep your rewards rolling, do you do separate transactions, a whole bunch? Or more like me, I will do just one big transaction a week most of the time. It's just a lot easier for me to just throw up all my extra care bucks or all my rewards in one transaction and then use them again the following week. Let me know in the comments below your tips or what you do. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.